up, people? What's up? Starting the vlog already in the middle. So where we at? We're here with my boy Danny, of course. All right. If you guys remember, last month we got the exhaust or the headers welded onto the exhaust. We had a minor leak. I believe it was coming from the clamp. So I went ahead and removed the clamps and we got it welded. But I know my car, and I can personally, to me, I can still hear a leak coming from underneath. So I figured we jack it up and we look underneath and do our own inspection because the shop told me personally that it comes with a 3-year guarantee warranty. So if I find something, I can actually take it back. Damn, Mr. Danny here. Oh, what you doing to your car, man?
I'm actually bypassing the fuse right now.
That sounds complicated. Bypassing the fuse.
It's for the ABS and the ESP.
And what is that gonna do?
Do both. If I can do more burnouts and shit.
Okay, yeah. If y'all remember on that video when we were out there in Mexico doing some dirty dirt burnouts, and then he did make that. If you guys can see, I know it's a little dark. That mount right there, custom itself. So if you guys want a custom mount permanently, come see your boy Danny. And yes, it's a V6. It's a V6. It's a V6. All right. All right. So like I said, to make it easier, we're going to jack up the back. I can't inspect it this way, so we're going to go ahead and throw those legs underneath, lift her up, and see what we got.
I think we had to go high.
A little higher? Yeah, probably for that.
Go up a little.
She just seems so heavy. Alright guys, so she's up here. Let's see what these welds are looking like. Alright, so these are the welds right here that we had gotten. That looked like it's holding. That looks like it's holding. Let's check this side. Yeah, man. Alright, so the welds look fine. Because I know last time I had an exhaust leak, it'd show a lot of black. So let me follow it to the back.
They did the back too?
Nah, but it gotta be. I really think it's just honestly the headers. Because this is all factory back here. But I can just check the old welds, you know, never hurt to inspect. But those are factory. This is all factory, so I don't see that being an issue. Yeah, so I think it's definitely the headers. And also, I know something up here was going bad because one of the joints or some shit. All right, guys. So we've seen a little bit of oil underneath. So we're going ahead, wipe it off, clean it off, just so we can keep track on it. Of course, if moisture builds back up, then something's going on. It's a current leak. We don't know if it's an old thing from the engine bill or whatnot. I'm trying to think. We'll check it from the top also, but it looked like it was coming from maybe the valve cover area. Oh, I thought that was a crack in my oil pan. Shit. Ah. Damn. All right, so again, I didn't find any leak on the headers, guys. So, or at least where the wells were in the middle. So when we drop it, I'm gonna check on the headers. I know it's coming from the headers. I mean, that's an easy fix because I put the headers on. I could buy new fucking gaskets for them from the dealership and put them back on. I know maybe when the car was put back together, the old gaskets were used, and usually the gaskets were shit because I didn't put new ones on. I still use my old ones, which I shouldn't have. So, shit, 4 years later, this is something that's possibly coming up that I need to change. So, who knows? All right. Let's make sure she's on. Yep, it's on. Pop this shit. Working on my my hoodified catch can. Putting some damn oil on there so we make sure she's on there for good.
I never lose it. Nothing in this life I got can never be for certain, but I'ma make it work and make your hard work worth it. And as the clock ticks, I know you're deep down hurting. I'm doing everything I can to make sure it don't worsen. But now, just know that I've been working more than ever. I know that.
Some people are like, what the hell are you doing? Yes, for now until I buy a catch can. It works. Works perfectly fine. I like it. It works for me, so. Something told me this up. Ugly looking cabin filter. Uh-oh, here we go. Hold up, you can slide this off. Uh-oh. All right, let's see what she looks like. Can't pull it out from it underneath.
I guess this comes off.
Oh, okay. Don't look too bad. God. Flip it. That ain't too bad.
That shit's dirty, bro. Fuck.
Yeah, that's bad.
That's pretty bad.
God damn. How you got? But how you? Isn't it like just a Chevy part? That's the look of it. That look bigger. About an inch.
Wanna wash it? No.
Blow it out. Yeah, that thing was dirty.
I don't think mine's even come with one.
Jeep Nation said, fuck that.
Pretty sure they wouldn't.
Yo, seriously, what the fuck was that? Just not too close. That's how I feel when you argue with a girl. When she get ready to cuss your ass out. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, last one. When I meet a girl, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, she like, oh my God, my boyfriend don't do this right. He don't do that right. Girl, did he eat that thing? She like, what? Girl, did he eat that thing? She said, stop playing. I said, girl, I can eat that thing. She like, what you talking about? I said, check this out. Yo, guys, I'm having so much fun with this damn air hose right now, bro. Like, real shit. All right, so I was thinking about it, you know what I'm saying? When I went to car shows, you know, my car be sick as fuck. People be dropping their jaws. You know, their mouth be open. Especially when I rev my car. One time this little kid got behind my car and I revved that shit. And this how his face looked. I was like, vroom, vroom, vroom. Y'all wanna see that again? Yeah, there we go. Smoke it like you broke it, baby. Woo! Woo-hoo! Yeah! We got that suspension fixed! We got it fixed! Look how it's pulling out. Yeah! Nah, that smells good! I love the smell of burnt rubber. Pause. Fucked up the whole. This man acting like tires ain't cheap. Do y'all like this shit or what? We killing it right now. Killing it. Woo. Alright, she's done. Close that big girl up. Make sure ain't got no tools inside. Alright. Gucci? Goo-wop? Alright, bet.
That bitch in love on her like I ain't nothing to face, yeah. I bet I want a place, yeah. I don't be doing no dates. I bet that's no on a plate, yeah. That will keep her awake. Niggas and bitches is fake, yeah. Living a hot out of hate. I need to bring you the Tesla. I'm not little Tim, a flex.